Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to solve Java Virtual Machine Launcher error. Alright, so let's begin with the video. So guys, for the first step, you want to head over to search and type in Settings, then click on it. Once you're in Settings, click on System, then scroll all the way down to the bottom and click on About. From there, scroll down and then click on Advanced System Settings. After that, select Environment Variables. Once this window opens, click on New at the bottom. For the variable name, type _Java, again _options. Exactly the same way, including the capital letters. For the variable value, type $xmx512m, then click OK to save it. Now for the second step, head back over to search and type in cmd, then run it as administrator. Once the command prompt opens, type ipconfig /flush DNS and press enter. After that, type ipconfig /renew and press enter again. Next, type gp update and press enter. Once the policy update is complete, restart your computer and the problem should be fixed. And that's it. So that's basically how you can solve Java Virtual Machine Launcher error. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.